society begins with good hygiene, a necessity through the ages. Hygiene has always been crucial in maintaining civilized life for creating a better world. We at Millennium Baby Cares proudly say that we have invested in an opportunity through which we have become a part of creating a hygienic community by providing world-class products at affordable costs that include diapers for children and adults and sanitary napkins. Incorporated in 2015 by our founders, Mr. Ram Prakash Beria and Mr. Dipendra Bhimsaria, the manufactory is set up on over 4 acres of land in Pithampur, 28 kilometers from Indore in Madhya Pradesh. Since then, the factory has been fulfilling the needs of over 50 reputed clients and millions of people around the globe. With the help of state-of-the-art technology and the latest machinery, we produce 25 lakh baby diapers, 5 lakh sanitary napkins and 1 lakh adult diapers per day. Our high-quality production, flexibility in manufacturing, customization of products in minimum order quantity and strong R&D team have made us a reliable private label partner or OEM for various national and international companies. In India, Millennium is the first and the only company to develop and manufacture plant-based diapers on a commercial scale. Also successfully developed and commercially launched Ultra Slim diapers, which is the future of the diapers industry. Bumtum, a brand exclusively manufactured by Millennium, has become the top-selling brand on Flipkart, surpassing industry leaders. Moreover, we are the only domestic manufacturer in India to produce all the sizes from newborn to XXL. Our experienced team, along with an efficient and trained workforce of over 500 employees, believe in the power of strategic design thinking coupled with hands-on execution. We work relentlessly to deliver our unique products: baby pull-up pants, baby open-tape diapers, adult diapers and sanitary napkins that are sulfate, paraben and phthalate-free. These products contain the unique features of Super Lock Gel, which gives superior absorbency for overnight protection, 360 degrees all-round softness, antibacterial properties to avoid rashes. Additives such as aloe vera, chamomile extract, vitamin E, shea butter and various others for moisturization and skin protection. These products go through extensive tests throughout the manufacturing process as well as post-production to ensure that the best ones are delivered to our customers. Millennium has been conferred with ISO, IMS, Bureau of Indian Standards, BIS, SEDEX, SMETA 4-pillar and GMP certifications. With frequent training sessions and maintenance schedules as per market standards. The company is persistently working to deliver innovative products that meet the dynamic market trends as well as help us stay ahead of the curve. And this has become possible because of the heavy investments in R&D and new product developments. The company provides additional support like packaging, designing, marketing, after-sales services and delivery of products at the customer's doorsteps, so that you can focus on building your brand and leave the task of making quality products for us. Millennium is your one-stop solution for all absorbent hygiene product needs. We are striving to bring more innovation and provide the luxury of these products to all strata of society by having the capability of making the most standard regular products as well as the most premium products all under one roof. Come, collaborate with Millennium Baby Cares Private Limited. Choose wellness, choose Millennium.